Step 1. Click on File / Save As / Browse / File Type Excel Macro Enabled Workbook XLSM / Save As. Step 2. Then click on File, Options, Customize Ribbon. Scroll down on the right-hand side and tick the developer box. OK. Step 3. Then click on the Developer tab and then Macro Security, and then tick the bottom box of Enable VBA codes. Not recommended. Potentially dangerous code can run. Step 4. Then save down the file. Then close the file. And then reopen. Step 5. Then go on to Visual Basic. And then Insert / Module. Then paste in the code which is in the description.
Step 1. Look at line 28 and amend to how many pages you want to split the docx document up into, as it is currently set to split it up into 10 pages each, as per the equals 10 part of the line. If you want it to be 5 pages, do equals 5. Step 2. Then amend line 26 so that it looks at the name of the file that it wishes to split it up into. So in this case, it is the file of testfile.docx in the file path of C:\users \anonymous \documents \file \testfile.docx, and make sure that it says .docx at the end of the file. Step 3. Then for line 27, amend it so that it includes the specific file that you wish to split up into chunks, as it should match back to what is in line 27 after the final / quote where it says testfile.docs in this example. What it does: the code splits up a Word document into individual parts and then renames the files so that those individual parts are separated out and automatically saved down. Thanks for watching. If you wish to reach out to me for personalized work, please use the email of anonymous93220@gmail.com.